Welcome to Eat Your Backyard. Who can identify this tree? Isn't that a cool looking bark? That is the bark of a Moringa tree, which is a highly beneficial tree to have in your backyard. I would encourage you to grow one. They grow very easily from seeds. Let's check out a seedling that just sprouted from the seed pods falling on the ground. So here it is, a volunteer Moringa tree, ready to form a nice larger tree. If you're going to pick out the volunteers, I would make sure you get all of a deep scoop. They really put down deep taproots, so you want to make sure that when you get the seedling, you don't damage its long-term result by decimating the taproot. Hey, if you like these kinds of videos, please subscribe to Eat Your Backyard. Also check out my original music on Jedi Jingle Maker. But let's go up into the canopy and check out some seed pods.